Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you what I believe to be the holy grail of nail polish removers. Yeah, nails are definitely not looking so good right now, if you can see. So I'm first going to try a couple nail polish removers and show you what's been happening when I use them. For some reason, these just don't seem to work the best on me. So I poured a little bit onto the napkin and I'm just gonna rub a little bit on the nail and nothing's happening. So I'm gonna try another one. Okay, pouring it on. And then I'm gonna try the same nail, okay? All right, that one worked pretty well. Now I'm gonna show you why this one, I believe, is actually the Holy Grail one. So this one, the second one that I used worked really well. This is actually one that I did get from the Dollar Tree. However, this one is my favorite, and I'll show you why. So when I just did that one, that remover, with that little spot, I did one nail. So we'll see, we'll probably get a couple in there. So let me try here. So it's getting two, but the thing is the tissue is falling apart now. I might be able to get to three with it. Tissue's falling apart. I mean, I could definitely use a different tissue, maybe a paper towel or something like that. Ugh, probably should not put it in my hair. But it's struggling to get to three. All right, and it's running out. So now I've got this one. So this comes in a package of 32. So it's the LA Colors nail polish remover. It's in a package of 32. And I'm gonna show you how it works. So with one of these, I'm gonna be able to do all of my nails. So I'm starting with the first. So just rubbing it. Okay, there's one. And look how fast it goes. So it's cleaning up that second one, cleaning up the third one, because I want to get my nails all clean. So this fourth one is the one, it would have been the third one from the other one, but it was struggling to get that one done, at least with that napkin. But I mean, I've done the same thing with paper towels, and you know, I can get it, but the thing is I have to keep reapplying, and I don't always have time for that. So now, and it gets messy too, and I don't want to use a million paper towels. So now I've got the fourth one. So this one I found at the Dollar Tree, and I was looking for another one that I used there, which they were kind of in like these little towelette type things. I like that, it worked really well. I was really bummed when I went there and I couldn't find that. So that's one hand done, of course, from a couple from the other one. I'm going on to the second hand. So as you can see, full hand. And I could switch sides on this, or I could use the same side, but still going. So anyway, I was going to the Dollar Tree and I was trying to find that same, the same towelettes that I was using previously, and I was bummed that they didn't have them. So I continued looking to see if I could find something else, and ended up on the very bottom shelf, I found these nail polish remover things. So I was definitely skeptical because it was very small, a lot smaller than the towelettes were. And I saw there were only 32, so I thought to myself, okay, well, you know, how many is it gonna take to do my hands? Am I gonna have to use one per hand? Am I gonna have to use a couple? How am I gonna have to use? So right now I'm still going. So I'm just kind of twisting my fingers along, so that one was really fast there. And I like also that it has a nice strawberry scent to it. Okay, just clean this up. All right, so however long that took, I have all of my nails done. So all empty. Actually, one I just have to clean up real quick from, again, the other nail polish remover. So the other nail polish remover, it worked, but the thing is I'm using a lot of paper towels and it can get a little bit messy. Sometimes I've had these things, not this particular one, but other ones leak out and then it can like stain an area. These ones, this I believe to be the best I've ever used. I could do with one of these and I still have room for more that I could do. So this is what it looks like right now. It's still wet. I can still do if I want to do my toenails, I could do that. But there's still room for more. There's 32 in here. It took one. If I do my nails once a week, this is lasting quite a long time. This would last me at least a few months, I would say. I mean, I'm not always doing my nails every single week. I would like to be doing that, or maybe even more so I'm touching them up. But I really am loving this one. Again, it's the LA Colors nail polish remover. There's 32 in here. It's very small. Let me see if I have something I can compare this to. Let's see. So, okay, here's like a little hairband. So it's like the same size as the hairband that I use. I can put this in my purse. So let me show you. So it fits really easily in here, just plop it right in. And I actually ended up buying extras of these because I like them so much. So right now there's 3 that I just have on hand. So I used it one time, loved it so much that I just ran back to the store and got a few more. I'm in the military, so when I go to drill and if I forget to take my nail polish off, I have to have something that's accessible. So I can keep these in the car, which I do. I keep one in my purse for when I'm at work if I need to do some sort of touch up, or if I'm going on vacation. I am leaving for a trip shortly, so I like to have these accessible. And the other thing is it's not a liquid. So for these, this is 6 ounces, so I'm not gonna be able to bring this into the airport with me. They might have miniature ones, but again, my liquids bag right now is jam-packed for going on a work trip. So I really love these. The scent, the strawberry scent, I don't feel like it's an overpowering scent. It's not like that super nauseating artificial type scent that there can be sometimes. I think it's actually a really lovely scent. It's not too strong, and the other thing is my nails don't feel super dried out, so that's something that I really like. Definitely a bonus of this. Yeah, I don't know, I just can't speak more highly about these wipes. I definitely think, to me, it's the Holy Grail. Again, I can take them anywhere. It'll last me for definitely a while. There's no spills, there's no cleanup. All I have to do is just throw this bad boy into the garbage can, which I will. Done. Yeah, so I mean, I don't have to worry about reapplying. I did buy a whole set of nails just with that one, and it had room for more. So yeah, I would definitely try it out. Oh, and if I didn't mention, again, maybe for the 3rd time, Dollar Tree. It was $1. Now the other one I did get at the Dollar Tree as well, but I'm telling you, this I believe is the Holy Grail. So I'm gonna show it one more time. Hopefully that'll come up right. And yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a like, share, subscribe, anything you want. And I'm gonna keep making more videos because I love doing this, and I love sharing my tips with you guys because I love a great deal, and I'm hoping that, I mean, I can't think of a lot of people that don't like good deals, but I'm hoping that you'll take advantage of it too. So thanks.